Meteorologist Michael Coates.
And a live look right now at Kelly Canyon, wrapping up a nice day on the ski slopes today with blue sky overhead and light winds. They're getting ready for the night skiing here in just a bit. We're going to be working in some gustier winds, however, for tomorrow afternoon. Might make things just a little bit more difficult on our area slopes because we have a couple of systems taking aim at our region. First system right now is making its way through the northwest with passing snow and rain showers getting from California all the way into Washington right now. And we'll pick up on some of that, but most of the wet weather is going to dry up before it even gets here. But we'll feel the wind tomorrow afternoon. We're at 38 degrees right now in Idaho Falls with the winds out of the north at 7 miles an hour. And check out the difference between Idaho Falls and Pocatello. Pocatello at 56 degrees with winds out of the north at 6. It's been colder over the past few days in the upper valley, and a lot of that has to do with the snow that's still on the ground. It's also just been pulling in that cold air from the north and coming off of the Snake Highlands. As we take a look at the big picture going to the satellite radar loop, I want to show you that we are seeing a definite change up to the weather pattern as we're getting a few systems lined up ready to roll in. The first system right now, again, like I just showed you on VIPIR radar, making its way through the northwest right now with a fairly decent front. However, this front has more of a southwesterly component to it, and so we're not expected to see a big drop in our temperatures this weekend, but we'll feel the wind and we'll feel some spotty showers. But this front here, that's cold air behind it. You see all that spotty popcorn cloud coverage there on the satellite radar loop? Yeah, that's cold air, and that's going to really change up the weather pattern later into next week. VIPIRcast tonight, cold, crisp lows back into the 20s and 30s tonight through tomorrow morning, and by tomorrow midday we're just starting to see some snow trickle into areas of central Idaho with a little bit of rain mixed in for the valleys throughout the afternoon. There's a slight chance, a very slight chance of seeing some spotty sprinkles in the Snake River Plain. However, most of this wet weather is going to dry up before it even gets into eastern Idaho, as you'll see here in the VIPIRcast. There's just a slight chance of some mountain snow and rain showers passing through the region with a partly cloudy sky for the rest of us and some gusty winds. Then as we get into Sunday, things are looking sunny, just a bit windy here to close out the weekend. And then Monday, the cloud cover gets back in here. Here comes the second system I just showed you. We start to pull in snow and rain showers Monday morning into central Idaho, passing showers throughout Monday afternoon going into Tuesday, with some good mountain snow as we go into Tuesday afternoon. Snowfall amounts for the first round. This is the Saturday system, as you can see here, again targeting the mountains, but really nothing getting into the valley except for a chance for some light rain if we do see anything. And even in the mountains, if we pick up moisture, amounts are looking rather thin. Gusty winds for tomorrow afternoon, a few showers on Saturday, but I just showed you there in the VIPIRcast, mostly into the mountains, and more widespread rain and snow showers getting in here for Monday and Tuesday. Highs around 50 for Preston, 53 in Malad, with a high of 49 in McCammon and 45 in Lava Hot Springs. 41 the expected high in Jackson, with 47 in Rexburg, mid-40s in St. Anthony and Ashton, with highs into the mid-40s also for Salmon and Chalice. Tomorrow will be the upper 30s for Mackay, and then Idaho Falls should see a high tomorrow at 47, 52 in Pocatello, 56 in Burley, 54 in American Falls. The temperatures are staying pretty consistent for the weekend as we're bringing in highs in the mid to upper 40s, but we're adding in a lot of that wind. We'll pull in mostly cloudy conditions Monday and Tuesday with a shot of rain and snow, and then here comes the cold front. Look what happens to our highs. They fall back into the upper 30s by Wednesday and Thursday. Pocatello, 50s for tomorrow and Sunday with more wind in the forecast. Cloud cover and a threat for some spotty wet weather gets in here for Monday and Tuesday, with temperatures falling back into the mid to lower 40s. Blackfoot also seeing a similar drop in the temperatures as that cold front rolls through next week, with highs into the lower 50s through Monday. Then we're back into the 40s for the rest of the 8-day forecast, taking us towards next weekend. Rexburg, a high of 45 for Sunday, 45 on Monday, upper 30s to get us in here for Wednesday and Thursday of next week, as we also pull in that cold air all the way to next weekend. Salmon and Chalice, you'll have a chance of some wet weather tomorrow, mainly cloudy conditions, especially for Saturday afternoon. Then we'll keep the clouds in there for Sunday and Monday. Temperatures this weekend into the mid-40s, but by next weekend, we're seeing the temperatures trying to rebound back into the 50s after a little bit of a cold spell for the middle of the work week. Jackson, a different story though. We're picking up on some gusty winds, scattered snow showers Saturday afternoon and evening, rain and snow showers in there from Monday and Tuesday. Those gusty winds continuing through Tuesday at least, and then highs will be just around freezing for Wednesday afternoon. Our John Adams GMC Spirit of Idaho comes to us from Rudy and Ashton, and it's twins. Yeah, proud mama there having twins, and they look like they were pretty hungry, but just kind of a happy little moment there. healthy twins, and they are up. They're walking around. So that was tonight's News 3 Now, Spirit of Idaho.
Yeah, that's this time of the year, spring season. All right. Adrian, what do you got for us out of the sports department?
Some day basketball. Idaho State was in Eastern Washington to finish up their season. Plus football. Yes, that's right. Mountain West football is coming back this fall. Here when you can watch their next game. Sports Life is next.
First Alert Skycams.